how to buy KEKIUS Maximus on WEEX. So before we start, and this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any new project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy the KEKIUS Maximus on WEEX, you make sure to open it on CoinMarketCap. After that, click on Markets, and as you can see, this is the WEEX. Now click on Pair here. As you can see, now that you will be redirected to weex.com platform. Make sure to log into your accounts, and after that what you need to do, go on the buy option. Now you have, as you can see, the two options, the limit order, the market order. In the limit order, set here the amount that you want to buy with on KEKIUS. As you can see, this is the total that you will pay. Or you can drag this and set how much you want to buy, and you will see the equal of it of USDT here, and after that click on buy KEKIUS. So after that, the market order, drag this to set how much you want to buy with the USDT, the percentage, and after that click on buy KEKIUS and you will buy it. So this is how to buy KEKIUS Maximus on WEEX. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.